India. 40 million people are blind in the world. 15 million people are in India. 85% of them are curable. Is there anybody to take care of those poor in rural villages who have no access to quality eye care?
In obedience to the clarion call given by Kanchi Sankaracharya, Sri Jayendra Saraswati Swamigal, a group of service-minded residents started a rural clinic in 1984 to provide quality health care to common men. With their dedicated, unflinching services, this rural clinic has now blossomed into a state-of-the-art 160-bed hospital.
After 12 years of primary health services, the hospital has been converted into an high-tech eye hospital to cover the rural population of Kanchipuram, Tiruvallur and the border district, Chittoor.
Sarvendriyanam Nayanam Pradhanam Kannuli Vision Seva, a rural outreach eye care program, was launched with the assistance of Rotary Club of Madras Fort to provide quality eye care at the doorsteps to everyone in the villages, irrespective of their caste, creed, religion and socio-economic status.
Rotary Club of Madras Fort equipped Shankara Eye Hospital with highly sophisticated equipments through Rotary International Matching Grant.
Considering the fact that 1/6 of the world population of blind is in India and every year 2 million new cases of cataract are being added, the Shankara Eye Hospital has geared itself to take up this task. The hospital is responsible for hundreds of rural eye camps covering millions, restoring visions to thousands of poor and needy.
At Shankara Eye Hospital, we adopt the latest technology to optimize eye care and practice evidence-based medicine with specialized equipments, resulting in a high-quality, personalized eye care. This also gives us a success rate of 99% and above across all procedures.
Of the specialties or super specialties of ophthalmology, one of the most growing and exciting fields is of oculoplastic and orbital surgery. Essentially, oculoplastic surgery concerns all the tissues around the eye contained within the bony socket, encompass orbital contents, and any disease involving these is orbital disease treated by an oculoplastic surgeon. At Pammal Shankara Eye Hospital, we have a full-fledged department of oculoplastic and orbital surgery where we perform a large number of operations and procedures, not only for orbital surgery but also for eyelid, lacrimal and socket reconstruction, and also increasingly cosmetic and aesthetic procedures including botulinum toxin injection.
Varnaville, a program for screening of school children to identify visual defects, assisted by teacher volunteers. While spectacles are prescribed for many, children with major defects are brought to Shankara Eye Hospital with their parents, counseled and provided with high quality Medicare at free of cost.
Department of Pediatric Ophthalmology at the Shankara Eye Hospital caters to children less than 16 years of age. The common ailments seen include refractive errors, lazy eye, squint, allergic disorders, congenital cataract, congenital glaucoma, injuries and rarely intraocular tumors. The department has good facilities to take care of these both in the outpatient department and in the operation theatre.
The hospital has launched Pammal Shankara Eye Bank to propagate and popularize the concept of eye donations.
Danathil Sirandadu Kandanam. This is a Tamil saying that we use, that one of the most important donations that we can do in our life is to donate our eyes after our death. After we die, the eyes are destined to be buried or burnt, but if we make an eye donation, then we can help two people see well even after we are dead and gone. The eye bank at Shankara Eye Hospital has been in function since 2008, and we have received corneas every year, and the number keeps increasing due to the efforts of our social workers. Corneal transplantation is a procedure that is done when somebody is unable to see because of a corneal problem. If the cornea is no longer clear, the person cannot see the world very well, and in order to help such people, we do what is called a corneal transplant. The surgery takes about an hour to do, and the vision is restored in about a week or so. Corneal transplantation is traditionally done using the full thickness of the donated cornea, but today we have newer methods where we can use only certain specific layers of the cornea, and these are called either anterior lamellar keratoplasty or the newer posterior lamellar keratoplasty, which can actually be done without the use of sutures. All of these advanced techniques are also being now performed routinely at Shankara Eye Hospital.
The hospital provides high quality eye care, offers more than sight, total care with love. It is an organized teamwork, an experience we cherish in human relationship.
Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya. For a moment, close your eyes, then open. The difference experienced is what it is when restored for the blind.
Every day is the day of eye camp for us. Selected patients are brought to the base hospital. Transportation, accommodation, investigations, surgery with intraocular lens, medicines, food and spectacles are totally free.
Thanks to the Sightsavers International, the hospital has taken a big leap in the year 2007 by commissioning the vitreoretinal services, which until then were in the realm of only certain tertiary centers of excellence in India. Both the medical and surgical retina departments offer 33% of their services totally free of cost to the rural poor.
It needs your support and participation. Endowment of rupees 10,000 on your birthday, wedding day or in remembrance of your near and dear helps to give sight to one poor every year. 90% of the beneficiaries are rural poor, poor in mind and money.
Blessed by their holiness Sri Kanchi Kamakoti Peetham, guided by Shankara Eye Center Coimbatore, supported by Sightsavers, the Rotary Foundation, Lions Clubs International and Mission for Mission, Pammal Shankara Eye Hospital has involved in this humanitarian service.
The hospital is accredited to conduct DNB course in ophthalmology, 18 months fellowship training on IOL surgery and short-term training in SICS, macro techniques to DO, MS and DNB candidates.
The hospital has performed more than 160,000 free surgeries and pledged to continued service.
Vision is the gift of God. Whatever may be the cause, to be blind is not fair. If it can be prevented, cured by quality eye care. In Shankara Eye Hospital, we dedicate ourselves to our motherland and our people. Its inspiration stems from the words of Acharyas. Its strength lies in the dedication of its people. Its success lies in their approach with empathy. Its vision lies in the words of Robert Frost. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Mission for vision. Miracles cannot cure the blind, but together we can.
आत्मदेव परानपि पश्यत आत्मदेव परानपि पश्यत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत